Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit text on VN. So here I've already opened the VN apps, and then when you want to add a text on your video, you can just click on the text options right here. Just click on that, and then you can choose whether you want to click on subtitle template, or you can add your own text. In this case, I'm using the text, so I'm going to type in my own text. For example, good night. Okay, and then when you want to edit the text, just click on the text, and then here you'll find the text option that you want to edit. For example, you can edit the style first. You can choose whether you want to just choose the standard text, or the video title, or frame, or there are also bubble and film or date like this, and there is also location and others. So I'm going to just choose standard and then click on check, and then you can also change the font style right here, for example like this, and you can also make it big or make it small, or you can adjust the size like this, and then you can change the color like here. Okay, you can choose whether you want to make it stroke like this. Okay, or there are also shadow like this and background, and you can also adjust the opacity of the text, and you can also choose the color from like this. For example, I want to choose just this one, and then click on check, and you can also set the alignment. You can choose whether you want to put it on the left like this, or at the center, or on the right like this. I'm going to put it at the center of the video and click on check. Okay, so that's I think that's it. That is how you can edit text on VN. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe. See you on the next videos. Bye bye.